Central African Republic is a landlocked country located in the heart of Africa. The cuisine of Central African Republic is diverse and reflects the country's cultural and geographical diversity. In this essay, we will explore the unique and flavorful cuisine of Central African Republic. Central African cuisine. Central African cuisine is characterized by its use of locally sourced ingredients, as well as its emphasis on bold and spicy flavors. The cuisine is influenced by the country's diverse ethnic groups, as well as its proximity to other African countries and European colonial influences. Fufu. Fufu is a staple food in Central African Republic and is a starchy dough that is made from cassava or yams. The dough is typically served alongside a variety of soups and stews and is used as a utensil to scoop up the soup or stew. Mbanka soup. Mbanka soup is a popular Central African dish that is made from palm nuts, chicken or fish, and various vegetables. The soup is often served with fufu or rice and has a rich and savory flavor. Grilled fish. Grilled fish is a popular dish in Central African Republic that is often served at outdoor markets and festivals. The fish is typically seasoned with a blend of spices and grilled over an open flame, giving it a smoky and flavorful taste. Saka saka. Saka saka is a dish made from cassava leaves that are cooked in a peanut sauce with onions and tomatoes. The dish is typically served with rice or fufu and has a rich and hearty flavor. Central African beverages. Central African cuisine also offers a range of refreshing and flavorful beverages that are enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. Central African cuisine also offers a range of refreshing and flavorful beverages that are enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. Here are some of the most popular beverages in Central African Republic. Ginger beer. Ginger beer is a popular beverage in Central African Republic that is made from fresh ginger, sugar, and water. The drink has a spicy and refreshing taste and is often served chilled. Palm wine. Palm wine is a traditional African alcoholic beverage that is made from the sap of various palm trees. The drink has a sweet and slightly sour taste and is often consumed during social gatherings and celebrations. Bissap. Bissap is a popular African drink that is made from hibiscus flowers, sugar, and water. The drink has a tart and slightly sweet taste and is often served cold. Nectar juice. Nectar juice is a popular fruit juice in Central African Republic that is made from a blend of tropical fruits, such as mango, papaya, and guava. Nectar juice. Nectar juice is a popular fruit juice in Central African Republic that is made from a blend of tropical fruits, such as mango, papaya, and guava. The juice is often served chilled.